Scheduling Zoom meetings. This tutorial will help make the process of scheduling multiple meetings and managing multiple meetings easier. First, tap the meetings icon at the top of your screen. If you are using an iPad, this icon will be located on the left side of the screen. Tap the small plus button to schedule a meeting. Select Schedule Meeting. To keep yourself organized when scheduling meetings with individual students, type their name as the topic. For example, meeting with Chris Boberg. Choose the date and time of your meeting and set the duration. Ensure you turned on video for yourself as the host and the participant. Select Advanced Options towards the bottom. Uncheck Enable Waiting Room and uncheck Enable Join Before Host. Do check Mute Participants on entry, and if you want to record your meeting, you can check this option to automatically begin recording. Click the Schedule button to schedule the meeting. You will be directed to your email next. Skip this step as it will be easier to send meeting links closer to the scheduled meeting. You can close this box. On the left, your upcoming meetings will appear in chronological order. In efforts to not make your participants search their email for a meeting link, wait and send it the morning of their scheduled meeting. You can check your daily for your Zoom schedule. To send an invitation, select Copy Invitation. Open up your email. Compose an email to your participant. Paste the copied invitation in the body of your email and click Send. Remember to make it easier for your participant and send the link to the meeting the morning of the scheduled meeting.